So leso sikhathi ka 1533 le phone le yathola ikhole eyayingena ngaso lesikhathi ikhona lapha eQueenswood.
Now, can you just place on record the IMEI number or the headset number of the handset as reflected in Exhibit DD5 in brackets E, Roman figure 1.
35329108 5098889.
Number ke yale phone ile serial number 35329108509889.
Just repeat it, 3532 08.
My
35329108
9108, yeah.
50
50,
yes
yeah.
9889.
Okay, thanks.
And if I can ask you to turn to Exhibit DD5, your first affidavit, on page 3.
page 3. My screen, my lord, my screen just
Kevin.
even so I'm working this one.
Yes.
This was the phone that was handed to me for analysis to see, and the IMEI number that was found on the phone that was downloaded was 35329108 509889.
Now, what is your comment now regarding this serial number and the one that appears on Exhibit DD5 in brackets E, Roman figure 1?
It's exactly the same IMEI number.
IMEI number kule phone lena yafana le ku Exhibit DD5.
Now, just finally, Lieutenant Colonel Gouws, you have been testifying about the communication between the numbers that were identified as belonging to the accused. Are there any of those numbers that appear in Exhibit DD5 in brackets E in bracket 1?
Yes, my lord. Page 6 will be your page 7, I think. There's one page left there. Just want to check quickly. Computer now. Screen just went now, so. August 1918. On 25 August.
So that will be page 5 of Exhibit.
Yeah, it will be your page 6.
Page 5 of Exhibit DD.
5 in brackets E in bracket 1.
My lord, it will be your page 6. I think there's one page that
page
is
6.
missing somewhere. Page 6 on your.
It's page 5.
Is it page 5? Yeah, it's page 6 on mine. Yeah, it's page 5. Page 5. Sorry, my lord. Yeah. 25 August there. Page 5. Must I read, my lord?
Yes.
There was a call 276090168990. He received a MTC terminating call from accused from number 27715951239 accused 5 for a 1,147 seconds while he was in the Queenswood NGA area.
To the number 0609016890 yathola ucingo mhla ka 25 January 2020 isikhathi ko 191807 ephuma enambeni u071 595 1239 ucingo lolu lwaba lwathatha isikhathi esiyinkulungwane nekhulu elilodwa namashumi amane nesikhombisa kusetshenziswa yona le tower le yase Queenswood.
And on page 74, page, the same with the data, page 74. Page 73, let me just check quickly here. Got it. 8th of December, just want to get the time, 1909. Sorry, my lord, it's page 73. Page 73.
Of exhibit DD5E.
That's correct, yes.
Figure 1.
Is that DD5E?
That's correct.
Yes.
1.
Yes.
Okay. So it's page 73.
Page 73.
Is the date?
8th of December 2020, 1909-06.
That will be on page 74, my lord.
It's your 74, my 73.
74, almost in the middle of the page.
9th of December.
8th of December 2020, 1909-06. The 276090168990 made a call, outgoing call to accused 5, 27715951239. 0 seconds. I don't know if the phone was off, but there was no time while he was in the Queenswood NGA area.
To the phone then 0609016890 yazama ukuthi ifonele u071 5951239 ekamsolo wesihlanu ngomhla 8 December ngesikhathi sika 1909-06 sensayona le tower yase Queenswood kodwa ke bonana lapha kungenasikhathi okusho ukuthi ke akuhlalwanga efonini.
Then on the same page, at 21:02:40, December 21:46:05. Can I continue, my lord?
Yes. 276090168990
received a call, MTC call terminating from accused 5 with number 27715951239 for 553 seconds while he was in a Queenswood NGA cell area.
Yona le number 0609016890 yathola call evela kumsola wesihlanu. Number yakhona 0715951239. Leyo fone ngesikhathi sika 21:46:05 ukuthi ke futhi ke kwahlalwa isikhathi esilingana nemizuzwana eyamakhulu amahlanu ne-13. Isetshenziswa yona leya cell phone tower yase-Queenswood.
And then on the same page, at 9 December 2020 at 008:15, can I continue, my lord?
Yes.
27609016890 was a MOC outgoing recall originating for 1 second to 2777159 27715951239, the number of accused 5, while he was in a Queenswood NGA cell tower.
So the number is 0609016890. Ngelanga likamhla 9 December 2020 isikhathi ka 00815 yafonela inamba kaMsolo sihlanu 0715951239 bahlala nje umzuzwana owodwa kodwa besebenzisa yona leya cell phone tower yase-Queenswood.
That was the only numbers up with other accused in this matter, my lord.
Thank you, Madam. That concludes the re-examination of the witness.
Yeah, Mr. Mngomezulu, any cross?
Thank you, Madam. Questions? Mr. Gouws, I want us to go to exhibit exhibit DD5.
DD5?
Is it DD5? GG1.
What?
Do you have exhibit GG1?
GG1.
Yes.
That's what we used yesterday, my lord?
Yes.
I haven't got it with me. I don't know.
Okay, yeah.
GG1. Yes. Can you proceed?
Yes. Yes, my
All
lord.
right. Let's quickly go to page 10 of the
Page 10.
Page 10, that's correct. ma'am.
Yes, my lord.
Then we commence from page 10, time is 7:28, 16 seconds. Can you commence from there?
That's correct.
Time is what?
Time is 7:28, 16 seconds, my lord.
It's on page
10, my lord.
You say it's on page 10.
10, that's correct.
Okay, let's see. Maybe I'll catch up.
It's the sixth line from the bottom.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I see that.
That's correct. Can you place those records, those call records on record?
2772 277 27668169. Made a call, MOC call originating on 26/10/2014 at 07:28:16 for 82 seconds to 277-127-9857 while in a 2G Moy Street SGS Tower. I can't show it. I've got the other, can just check quickly. I had one yesterday, but it's not the same pages, but we can.
So, sorry, can I?
Yeah.
Line 6 from the bottom. Sorry, my lord, I'm waiting for the
Yeah, no, fine.
interpreter.
Yeah,
So the
okay.
number goes 072 768 8789. Isikhathi sika 1436 ngalo lusuku lukamhla ka 80
26.
June
That,
2014. So lana I'm sorry.
yeah, it's
26.
Let me just check, I've got it yesterday, let me just check where is it, my lord. Let me check which. I think I worked on that one. Let me check quickly where is that. I think I've got it. I think here it is. Let me just, yes, yes, it's not the same pages, but the data is here, I think. Let me just check quickly. The date is 2610.
2610,
16.
2014, page 10.
Now, this, my pages will be other. 2610, 20. 0728, no. 0728.
Okay.
There it is.
So the number is 072 766 8169 on 26 October 2014. isikhathi u-7:28:16 yafonela inamba u-071 279 8570 bahlala ke imizuzwana elingana amashumi ayisishiyagalombili nambili kokusetshenziswa lana i-tower kuthiwa 2G Moy Street SGS 1.
So this Moy Street, does it indicate if it's a Moy Street in Johannesburg or?
I don't know. I don't know, my lord.
All right.
Njalo manje lo mgwaqo lo kuthiwa uMoy Street ukhuluma ngawo yini uMoy Street lo segoli eJohannesburg wathi cha ngazi.
On the at 17 minutes past 9, 31 seconds.
Yes.
Yes.
13 seconds, not 31.
It's
13.
13 seconds. I beg you.
Okay.
Now, which is that now?
Same page, my lord.
Same page?
Yes.
Line
under
5 from the bottom. my lord.
Line 5 from the bottom.
yes.
So you say it's what? 9?
0917, my lord.
09 17 31.
Yes.
Okay.
277 727 668 received a call on 26/10/2014 at 09:17:31 for 13 seconds from 277 448 50681 while in a 2G Moy Street SGS cell tower.
So is number 072 766 8169 umhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi 9:17:31 yathola ucingo oluvela ku 074 485 0681 obakhuluma imizuzwana eyishumi nantathu kusetshenziswa yona itower u-2G Moy Street SGS 1.
The next line is 0931 27 second. Do you see that?
266 seconds.
266, yeah.
Yes.
2772 668 outgoing call MOC call originating for 266 seconds on 26/10/2014 at 09:31 27 to number 277 680 66676 one in the 2G Voliter SGS 3 tower.
So umhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi sika 9:31:27 the number is 072 766 8169 yafonela inumber 076 806 6676 basibehlala ecingweni imizuzwana engamakhulu amabili namashumi ayisithupha nesithupha kusetshenziswa ke itower u-2G Volan Hata SGS 3.
Sorry, Mr. Mngomezulu, you say you don't know where Moy Street is.
Not me.
Oh, he doesn't know. Sorry.
Moy Street is in Johannesburg.
Yeah, fine.
I know where where Moy Street is, but I don't know where this tower.
Oh, okay, I hear you.
It's the Moy Street Tower. If it's the same
yeah,
as, it's like the Queenswood.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't
Yeah,
know.
I hear you. I hear you.
Yes. Then the tower they, you said is
Volhutter.
Volhutter.
Where is that? Do you know?
Don't know, my lord.
And remember
Next to Ellis
that
Park.
the tower le uvoleta reyazi
Because I
nothi
live-
kangiyazi.
It's in Langsfield, West.
Yeah.
Yes. May we proceed to 1041?
10:41, right?
It's 20 seconds, if I'm not mistaken.
49 seconds.
49 seconds. Pardon me with seconds. I'll just put the hours and the minutes.
10:41:20 277 727 668 outgoing call MOC call originating for 49 seconds on 26/10/2014 at 10:41:20 to number 27727083206 and Celto 2G Voslorus Square SGS 2.
The number was 072 766 8169. Umhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi 10:41:20. Iyafonela inamba lena 072 708 3206. Bahlala imizuzwana amashumi amane nesishiyagalolunye. Kusetshenziswa ke lapha itawo 2G Phosphorus Square SGS2.
Then let's go to 1127. The next one is 1127.
27727668169. Received the call MTC call terminating of 159 seconds on 26/10/2014 at 11:27:45 from cell phone number 2776 734 1666, cell phone tower 2G Moseleke SGS 1.
In number 072 766 8169. Umhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi 11:27:45. Yathola ucingo oluvela ku 076 734 1666. Bahlala ke imizuzwana eyikhulu nemashumi amahlanu nesishiyagalolunye. Lapho baqhunya itawa lena 2G Msiliki SGS 1.
That Mseleki is in Katlehong.
I don't know, Malo. Can't comment, Malo.
Yabazini ukuthi lo Msiliki loyo usekatlehong wathi cha akukho ingaphawula.
Let's go to 1150. 1150.
That's the last line on page 10, 277 2766 8169. MTC call terminating, call received of 147 seconds on 26/10/2014 at 11:50:01 from 27726171395 and the cell phone tower 2G Punegu SGS 3.
076 766 8169. Mhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi 11:50:01. Yathola ucingo oluvela ku 0726171395 olahlala imizuzwana eyikhulu namashumi amane nesikhombisa. Kusetshenziswa ke ithala ekuthiwa 2G Punegu SGS 3.
Ponego is the name of the high school in Katlehong.
Ngomunye umgwaqo lana osekatlehong.
Let's proceed to page 11 at 1226.
First line, page 11, 2777276681169. Received the SMS. There's no other party, but the cell phone tower 2G Tabu Nsaku SGS 2.
072 766 8169. Mhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi 12:26:02. Yathola i-SMS kodwa ke akuyisho lana ukuthi ithola ivela kuyiphi inombolo kodwa ke ithawa beqhubena ngayo mizothola le SMS go 2G tawenza ko SGS 2.
Then we go to 1241.
Third line, page 11, 27726681169. Outgoing call, MOC originating call on 26/10/2014 at 12:41:17 to 27727083206 and the cell tower 2G Sali section SGS 3.
Isikhathi ku 12:26:45 ngawo usuku lwamhla 26 October 2014. Le phone lena yafonela 076741 08061 bahlala ke imizuzu elingana amakhulu amabili nemashumi ayisikhombisa nesikhombisa. Kusetshenziswa itawo 2G Tabunzako SGS2.
Sali section is in Katlehong, Emazuluini.
Can't comment, my lord.
Let's move on. 1341.
277-72-668-169. Call originating, outgoing call MOC, 17 seconds on 26/10/2014 at 13:41:20 to number 27608435095 and the 2G Phosphorus SGS2 tower.
Twaga 0727668169 umhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi 13:41:20 yafonela inamba 0608435095 bahlala imizuzwana yeshumi nesikhombisa kusetshenziswa letha u2G Phosphorus SGS2.
All right. From that time, 1341, you will agree with me, up to 1443, it shows the same tower, Phosphorus SG. Just to avoid wasting time, it reflects the same tower.
Up until
1443.
1443. Yeah, then it's Phosphorus to west. That's correct, yes.
Athi uyabona ukuthi lapho ke kusuka isikhathi sika 13:41:20 ukuyofika isikhathi sika 14:43 khulunya ithaya eyodwa nje le 2G Phosphorus SGS. Wafu.
Yes, if we go to 1511.
That's correct.
Can you proceed from there? 1511.
277-268-169 received a call, MTC call terminating for 109 seconds on 26/10/2014 at 15:11:33 from 278469400603 Cell Tower 2G Phosphorus SGS3.
0727668169 umhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi sika 15:11:33 yathola ucingo oluvela ku 084-694-0603 lolu cingo lwabahlala kulona imizuzwana eyikhulu nesishiyagalolunye kusetshenziswa ke lethawa u2G Phosphorus SGS3.
Then 1515.
277-727-668-169 received a call, MTC call terminating for 118 seconds on 26/10/2014 at 15:15:05 from number 27791490821 cell phone tower 2G Phosphorus West SGS2.
Toilet phone 0727668169 umhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi 15:15:05 yathola i-call evela ku 079
1519.
079-149-0821 bahlala imizuzu eyikhulu neshumi nesishiyagalombili setshenziswa yona le tower u2G Phosphorus West SGS2.
1519 277-268-169 call originating outgoing call MOC 65 seconds on 26/10/2014 at 15:19:32 to cell phone number 277-2399-5787 2G Phosphorus SGS3.
So 0727668169 umhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi 15:19:32 yathola yafonela ifoni 072-399-5787 bahlala imizuzwana amashumi ayisithupha nanhlanu kusetshenziswa i-tower u-2G phosphorus SGS3.
Yes, from 1541 up to 1618,
It's the same tower for
the
Soros
same
West.
tower for Sloras West.
That's correct, man.
Tokusukela ku-1541 kuyofika ku-1618 kuyabonakala ukuthi hayi kusetshenziswa i-tower yodwa i-2G phosphorus West SGS2.
Let's go to 1704. Is it 4 minutes past 5?
277-726-7-668-169 received a call on 26/10/2014 at 17:04:39 for 124 seconds from 27712289-072 Selfentouw 2G Heidelberg Road SGS 1.
Yeah, kuthiwa ke u-072-766-8169 ngomhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi u-17:04:39 yathola i-call evela ku-071-228-9072 hlala khona ke imizuzwana eyikhulu namashumi amabili nane lapho ke babeqhumana khona nge-tower u-2G Heidelberg Road SGS1.
So at 1734,
277-268-169 outgoing call MOC call originating on 26/10/2014 at 17:34:48 for 11 seconds to 278-333-24220 in the 2G Benrose SGS 3 cell name.
072-766-8169 ngomhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi u-17:34:48 yafonela inumber 083-332-4220 bahlala imizuzwana eyishumi nanye kusetshenziswa i-tower u-2G Benrose SGS3.
Penrose is in Johannesburg. Do you agree?
I know Benrose is in Joburg, but I don't know where's Benrose Tower.
Let's
But you
proceed.
uBenrose yebo usegoli kodwa ke iBenrose Tower akazi ukuthi la.
277-278-169 call originating MOC call made on 26/10/2014 at 7:34:59 for 19 seconds at to number 278-333-24220 Salto 2G Benrose SGS 3.
Jana le number was 072-766-8169 mhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi ka-17:34:59 yaphinda yashayela inumber 0833-24220 bahlala imizuzwana eyishumi nesishiyagalolunye kusetshenziswa itower u-2G Benrose SGS3.
Even 1737, is it the same tower?
2G Benrose SG3
Bathi
and
ngo-1737 kwakuseyiyona le tower ukuthi yabo u-2G Benrose SGS3.
also 1739-36 also.
Correct, yes. It's Penrose also.
That's correct.
Let's move
Bathi
to,
nango-1739 kwakuseyena uBenrose.
let's move to 1740.
Two 277-268-169 received a call MTC call terminating on 26/10/2014 at 17:40:21 for 58 seconds from 278-333-24002 Selfentouw 2G City Deep SGS 1.
072-766-8169 mhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi 17:40:21 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-083-332-4220 bahlala ke imizuzwana amashumi amahlanu nesishiyagalombili lapho bebeqhunywa itower u-2G City Deep SGS 1.
So you also agree to do you agree that City Deep is in Johannesburg?
City Deep, the city is in Joburg. I don't know where's the tower, City Deep, this tower.
uthi ke lana ngiyazi ukuthi i-City Deep ise-Johannesburg kodwa angazi ukuthi tower ikuphi.
At 1809,
Also 2G City Deep, SGS1.
Uthi nalapho ke u-2G City Deep SGS1 ngesikhathi sika-1809.
at 1820 or 1826?
18?
Is it 1820?
20. Okay, 277 2768169 received the call, MTC call terminating for 24 seconds on 26/10/2014, 1820/54 from 2779-149-0821 3G JP SGS tower.
2072768169 mhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi 1820-54 yathola ucingo oluvela u-079-149-0821 imizuzu ke amashumi amabili nane kusetshenziswa i-2G JPSGS2.
JP is also a suburb in Johannesburg.
That's correct, my lord.
Wathi ya i-JP enye indawo ezingaphansi kwe-Johannesburg wathi yebo kunjalo.
From that time, 1831,
1831 27726686169 received a call, MTC call terminating for 89 seconds on 26/10/2014 at 1831:16 from 2772399577 cell tower 2G Volitor SGS1.
207668 lapho wathola ucingo oluvela ku-072-399-5787 wahlala imizuzwana engamashumi ayisishiyagalombili nesishiyagalolunye ukuthi baqunywa ithawa lena u-2G Volitor SGS1.
at 1857,
Yes, my lord.
1857,
Yes. 1857 27726686169 MOC outgoing call, originating call 17 seconds on 26/10/2014 and 1857 15 to 27608435095 South Tower 2G Belgravia SGS2.
Manje u-072-766-8169 ngomhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi 1857-15 yafonela yona inamba ewu-060843505 bahlala imizuzwana yeshumi nesikhombisa kusetshenziswa ithawa u-2G Belgravia SGS2.
Belgravia is also in Johannesburg. Do you agree?
But uyavuma yini ukuthi Belgravia ise-Johannesburg?
Suburb is there, I don't know where's the cell phone tower, my lord.
Wathi yebo ngiyazi ukuthi cellphone tower yona angazi ukuthi kuphi.
At 7:23 in the evening,
27726686169 outgoing MOC called originating at 26/10/2014 1923:22 446 seconds to 27776806676 Cell Tower 2G Goud Street SGS1.
2072-766-8169 mhla 26 October 2014 ngo-1922 yafonela inamba 076 806 6676 bahlala imizuzwana ekhulu namashumi amane nesithupha kusetshenziswa ke manje ithawa u-2G Gold Street SGS1.
will you agree with me that Holt Street is one of the streets of Johannesburg? Holt Street.
I think so, my lord, yes.
Bathi uvumelana nami yini ukuthi umgwaqo lona u-Gold Street useJohannesburg? Wathi yebo ngicanjalo.
At 26 minutes to 8,
26.
1934.
1934. 27727668169. MTC call terminating, receiving a call for 38 seconds at 26/10/2014 at 1934:59 from number 27846940603, cell tower 2G Moy Street, SGS 1.
At number 0727668169, umhla 26 October 2014, isikhathi ku 1934:59, yathola ucingo oluvela ku 0846940603 bahlala emzuzwana yamashumi amathathu nesishiyagalombili, kusetshenziswa itower lapha 2G Moy Street, SGS 1.
It's the same tower at 1941, 19 minutes to 8 in Moy Street. Do you agree?
That's correct.
I think in 1941, kuseyiyona leyo tower okufunwa ngayo.
At 8 minutes past 8, 2008.
27727668169. Outgoing call, MOC call originating 26/10/2040 at 20:08:47 for 58 seconds to 277117537, cell tower 2G Goud Street, SGS 2.
Number 0727668169, umhla 26 October 2014, isikhathi 20:08:47. Iyona yafonela le number 0711175387, bahlala ke imisuzwana amashumi amahlanu nesishiyagalombili. Lapho ke babesenzisa itower lethiwa 2G Gold Street, SGS 2.
At 2016, that is 16 minutes past 8, is the same tower at Cold Street, Johannesburg, correct?
That's correct, my lord.
16 minutes past 8 ukusasetshenziswa yona leyo tower futhi.
Is the same position at 2026 at Cold Street, Johannesburg, correct?
That's correct.
Athi ngo-2026 yebo kusetshenziswa yona leyo tower.
At 2027 is the same tower in Johannesburg, correct?
That's correct.
Athi ngo-2027 kusetshenziswa yona leyo tower, athi yebo kunjalo.
So let's get now into the 27th. The 27th of October.
So read from
The 27th of October 2014, a day after,
the 26, yes.
yes. Are you with me there? Do you
Yes.
see that?
Yes, my lord.
All right. Let's start at, let me see, 08.
277, that's a second line from the bottom, page 11. 27727668169. Received a call, MTC call terminating from 27822 22550728 for 66 seconds. 3G Moy Street, SGS 1.
0727668169, umhla 27 October 2014, isikhathi 08:08:17, athola ucingo oluvela 0822550728, olathatha imizuzwana eyamashumi ayisithupha nesithupha, kusetshenziswa yona 2G Moy Street, SGS 1.
Before we proceed, I just want to indicate something on the change of dates, where we ended on the 26th of October 2014. We ended with 2027 at Holt Street. So there were no other telephone recordings in between the 20th, the time 2027 and the following day, the time 8 minutes past 8 in the morning of the 27th.
There is no record of any calls from that time.
Akho incingo esibonakalayo ukuthi zangena kusukela Umhla 26 kusihlwa ngo-2032 kuyofikela ngo-8 ngosuku olulandelayo mhla 27 ngo-8:08 ekuseni.
Let's move to the next one is, sorry, that must, so the next, let's look at in between the time of 8 minutes past 8 up to the 30th of October. I think these are lengthy recordings. From that time, on the 27th of October, up to the 30th of October, it shows that this number was at Johannesburg and Alexandra.
Maar I don't know where's all the towers.
All right.
But there's Moy Street, Goud Street, we've said Fox Street, Jeppy.
We are in page 20, sorry.
Page
the
12.
date- Page 12. now.
From page 11, Council asked, state to me that from the 8 minutes past 8 on the 27th of 10, 2014, up until the 30th.
Until the 30th of October 2014.
I don't know where's the Ronga station, my lord. That's on page 13. I don't know where's the Ronga station.
Wait. I'm lost.
It's page 12, my lord.
13.
Yeah?
Yeah, I've got page 12.
Proceeded to page 13.
So it goes up to page 13.
That's correct.
Page 12, page 13.
That's why I said it's a lengthy. Until the 30th of October.
On the, my lord, just on the 29th of October, second line from the bottom, page 13, 29th of October 2014 at 12:14:31. I'll read the whole sentence. 27727668169. Received a call, MTC call terminating from 27796 559.057 for 133 seconds on 29/10/2014 at 12:14:31 while in the 2G Voslerus Square SGS tower. Let me just check. I'll just put it on the screen. 29:10. 29:12:14.
You say it's how many seconds?
For 133 seconds. That's on page 13, second line from the bottom, my lord.
Can't find it.
29. Just check it. 12:14. 12:14 there.
Which one?
Okay, fine.
2726 umhla 29 October isikhathi 12:14 31 seconds. Athola ukuthi ngondlela 0696559057 labahlala khona imizuzwana eyikhulu nemashumi amathathu nantathu bekusetshenziswa-ke leyatha u-2G Phosphorus Square SGS3.
My lord, I don't know where is Groenweide. 2G Groenweide SGS. I don't know where is that tower.
Yeah.
It was
Which date
there.
is that, Mr. Gouws?
29/10/2014. That's the last line on page 13. We received the SMS. Was on a 2G Groenweide. And then just after that, on the first and the second line of page 14, the 29/10/2014 at 12:51:49. It was an outgoing call of 15 seconds. And then on 12:53 there was an incoming call, also outgoing call of 100 seconds while he was in the 2G Groeneweide SGS3. I don't know where's that tower, my lord. I can't say if it is in Joburg or where it is.
Yeah.
Siyakwazi-ke ukuthi leya Groenewede ilaphi ngoba ngomhla 29 October 2014 isikhathi 12:51 wathola i-SMS wayesekhipha ucingo ngo-12:51:49 luya ku-072-185-22049 bahlala imizuzwana eyi-15 futhi-ke waphinde wathumela enye i-call ngo-12:53:42 bahlale khona ikholo lemizuzwana kuwukuthi ufonela u-072-185-2049 itower lesetshenziswayo lapha iyona iGroenewede.
And then on the just third line from the top, 29:10:14, at 13:08:13, he received a call while in the 2G Ramaphosa SGSC tower. I don't know where's that tower, my lord, if it's in Joburg or where it is.
Ramaphosa, sorry, you said?
Ramaphosa SGC3.
Ngomhla 29 October 2014 isikhathi sika 13:08:13 lapha wathola ikhole vele 073 717 1810 ephuma-ke lapha kwethawa kuwukuthi yokusetshenziswa ithawa ekuthiwa uRamaphosa SGC3.
Sorry, Ramaphosa is in Germiston.
Okay. I don't know, my lord.
But I just want to conclude
Yes.
by saying, I just want to take you, firstly, I need your confirmation as per your evidence in chief that this number that has been receiving calls, making calls, SMSs,
Which number is that?
07,
07?
is it 072, Mr. House? The one that you said it belongs to accused number 3. This 205.
0722766816.
Not too fast.
Sorry.
07227
0722766869. That one.
888
Yes.
Yes.
69.
You said that was the number for accused number 3. Correct?
I said I didn't identify. That was given by the investigation team. That's correct.
So the number is 0727668169 investigation team
I'm following your evidence.
Yes.
I'm not putting or testing.
I understand.
Yes,
Yes,
I'm
I
putting, as per your evidence, you said this number belongs to accused number 3. When we were asked in chief examination that he was competing with accused number 5.
That's correct, ma'am.
Yes. The essence of this question is that on the 26th of October 2014 at 5:04, this number was not at Foslorus. Do you see that?
26th of October at
2014
yeah.
at 5:04 in the afternoon or evening. This number,
You're on page. Where's that
Page
number?
11, my lord.
page 11.
Page 11.
Page, sorry, let me just get there. Hello? Yeah, okay. Oh, okay. So you said it's 26. Yes, sir. You said it's on the 26th of
On the
October.
26th of October
Page
2014.
page 11.
Page 11, my lord.
At what time? 26th
Time
October?
is 4:05. 17:04.
4 minutes past.
5.
For how many minutes? How many seconds is it?
124, my lord.
124.
part in the middle
Okay, fine, yeah?
of the page.
Okay, I found it.
My question is, from that time up to the 27th of October, the 27th of October 2014, this number was not within the vicinity of Phosphorus.
Not according
Do you
to the
agree?
data, my lord.
Uthi ke ummeli suka nge-26 kuyoshaya ke nge-27 le number le yayingekho khona ke ephosphorus. Uthi ke umephendula ufakazi lokho akushiwo imininingwane noma i-data le.
Sorry?
Not according to the data, my lord.
Sorry?
Not according to the data, my lord. He was not in phosphorus. That's correct.
Hayi ngokwayo ke i-phosphorus ngokwayo i-data lena yayingekho ephosphorus kuyiqiniso lokho.
And this implies that accused number 3 was not in Phosphorus from that time up to the 27th of October 2014.
I can't say that, my lord.
Object against that question. I think maybe the handset was not, the handset, but not the accused.
Yeah, that's the point.
I'm glad. I wanted to take the state on that aspect. That's the reason why I'm asking this question to this witness. This witness is an expert. This witness said he understands the towers. This witness, when he was led with confidence that accused number 3 and number 5 were communicating and gave the numbers to this court. With confidence, because the state wanted to prove that there was a communication between accused number 3 and number 5. Secondly, they wanted to prove that accused number 5 and number 3 know each other. The point that I'm driving this court to, emanating from what my colleague is saying, I did not get the philosophy behind the adducing of evidence which may or which will create a fundamental principle in a creation of a presumption.
As a court, please, my learned friend is busy with the argument.
No. It's not an argument. It's not an argument.
Let's first, Mr. Mngomezulu, let's Baloyi put his
I'm
point.
replying from what Baloyi was saying, madam.
Yeah, but when he wants to answer you, then you say it's not an argument, then he sits down.
Yes.
So me, I don't know who to listen to. So remember, I spoke about the tavern yesterday, or day before yesterday.
Indeed, my learned, I'm sorry about that, my lord. My learned friend is busy addressing the court and talking about the philosophy behind the leading of certain evidence. This witness cannot be of assistance as far as that is concerned. Hence, we're saying that it's a point of argument that he can perhaps raise at the conclusion of the case.
May I respond by saying, my lord? When the state introduced the evidence of the 205s, the primary aim was to prove to this court that these 5 accused persons know each other. We are talking about the evidence that they want to adduce in order to prove that accused number 1 to 5, they know each other. That's the first point. I'm talking about the physique of these accused persons. The evidence submitted to this court, as it was objected, as it constitutes irrelevancy, is that the state, as it has deviated from proving all the elements of the case, they now wanted to prove that these accused persons know each other. Number two, the state submitted evidence in relation to the numbers that belonged to these particular accused persons. In the same, where's my document? You took it from me. Yes, in the same GG, in the same exhibit that we are reading from, there is a record document attached
Yeah.
to prove the owner of the person, the owner of the device that is reflected in this exhibit. Accused number 1, cell number 079-379-0137 is the number that the state has led that belongs to accused number 1. It was not an assumption that this number belongs to accused number 1. It has been put as evidence by the state, and accused number 1 admitted that that number belongs to him. That question or that submission or that evidence was directed to the person of accused number 1 being the owner or the possessor of that particular device. 205s were done, especially this 205, the one that we are reading from. It's a 205 of accused number 3. We cannot turn a blind eye and say we assume that this number might be a number for accused. It's evidence brought by the state to prove that we will prove to this court that accused number 3 was in communication with other accused persons. I don't find any fallacy in my submission to say any philosophy to be created must either be understood under a presumption. If I'm in possession of this cell phone, a presumption will always be rebuttable, depending on the explanation of the person is alleged to be in possession of that cell phone. But in this case, the state has led evidence for a number of weeks, laboring on the evidence to prove that the owners of these phones belong to these accused persons. Now, if this witness, I didn't say the witness must conclude and say this, he did not compile this, but he was adamant to testify subject to that lady from Vodacom coming to confirm the contents thereof. There is no doubt that this document belongs to accused number 3. Any movement from Phosphorus, because now they can see that this evidence takes accused number 3 away from the crime scene, they want to raise an objection. I was waiting for this opportunity to come. Hence, I was even telling, when I was showing that I've got the 205 for Kelly Kumalo, I was show that I wanted any evidence from the state that deals with 2014. In conclusion, my Lord, before, if my colleague wants to make submissions, this witness has been confident to the extent that when he brought the first affidavit, which is DD5, suddenly there were so many alterations and changes based on the numbers in order to prove that all these accused, these numbers belong to them. So there's direct evidence according to this document that this number belongs to accused number 5, and it is the defense of accused number 5 that he was not at Fort Lawrence.
Yes, sir. You want to say anything?
Well, after that long argument, my Lord, the state's objection was simple. It was put to the witness that given the fact that on the 26th of October 2014 at 17:04 and 39 seconds, the handset was no longer in Fort Lawrence, it shows that the accused number 3 was no longer in Fort Lawrence, and all that we raised an objection and said all that it says, it just shows that the handset, not the accused.
Physical presence.
Yes, that was the that was the only objection, my Lord.
Yeah. What's the time there?
It's 15:25, my Lord. It's almost. It's
Are you available
almost the
tomorrow,
end of the day.
Lieutenant, is it?
I'm still available tomorrow, my lord.
Yeah. So there's a distinction between a set, a handset, and the human being.
Sorry, my Lord, before we adjourn, I'd request that accused number 2 be brought at 9 tomorrow, because I've given him some homework and we need to consult tomorrow in the morning before we resume.
Who transports accused to? Are they,
It's the investigating team will arrange that.
Oh, they will arrange it. You say they'll arrange it.
Thank you, my Lord. I'm in that.
Okay, let's meet tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am.